planes fueled by used cooking oil? It's not a vision, it's a reality. Today. Neste turns renewable and sustainably sourced waste and residue raw materials, such as used cooking oil, rendered fats, and greases, into fuel that can safely power aircraft. By reusing the existing carbon over and over again, there's no need to extract more carbon from underground. The perfect answer to a problem that needs a solution right now. In the future, SAF could be made from a new generation of raw materials, including forestry waste, municipal solid waste, algae, and even converting power to liquids. Neste's commitment to sustainability protects forests, does not consume excessive amounts of fresh water, or take away edible produce from people. Neste My SAF is a choice you can make. Learn more at neste.com/SAF. Made from 100% wastes and residues, reduces CO2 and non-CO2 emissions. Available now.